Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to import and place 3D models like appliances, furniture, faucets, lighting, plants, and accessories. Get access to a wide range of 3D models to enhance the decor and create realistic living spaces that help your clients visualize their future project and make decisions faster. Just click the Models menu tab on the top where you'll find everything to decorate a kitchen, living room, patio, or office. Once you select a model, place it in the room and use the 3-axis arrows to move it. The new floating bar also gives you quick access to functions like rotation, scaling, and mirroring. The Properties tab also offers options like Snap to Surface, Entrance Animation, and Make Pierceable. Can't find what you need? Search the Wayfair library with 40,000 plus models. You can also import Collada, DAE, and GLB files from sources like 3D Warehouse. Save them to your library for future use. Here's a tip I use often: add animated objects like trees or pets. It's also best to use props from our model library since these models are optimized to ensure both performance and smooth quality in VORTEK Spaces. Here's another tip: change a finish by clicking Materials and choosing the one you want. That concludes our tutorial. Thank you for watching.